In this video, we're going to take a complex number in polar form and rewrite it in rectangular form. Suppose our complex number in polar form is 16 times cosine 5 pi over 3 plus I sine 5 pi over 3. So 16 corresponds to r, cosine pi over 3 corresponds to cosine of theta, plus I, and then sine 5 pi over 3 corresponds to sine of theta. We'll have to recall that a complex number in rectangular form is of the form a plus bi. So this is our goal, is to rewrite our complex number in polar form into a rectangular form that fits this format right here. We also need to know that the x-coordinate is equal to r cosine of theta, and the y-coordinate is equal to r sine of theta. To get started, we're going to need to find the value for x. So let's take a look at cosine of 5 pi over 3. Cosine 5 pi over 3 is equal to 1/2. I know that x equals r cosine of theta, and I see that my value for r is 16. So x equals 16 times cosine of theta, which is 1/2. 16 times 1/2 equals 8. So our x-coordinate equals 8. Now let's take a look at sine of 5 pi over thirds. Sine 5 pi over 3 is equal to negative square root 3 over 2. So to find our value for y equals 16 times negative square root 3 over 2. Cross canceling 16 and 2, we get that y is equal to 8 times negative square root of 3, or negative 8 square root of 3. Now let's recall that I multiplies with sine 5 pi over 3, which means that I is going to multiply with our value for y, negative 8 square root of 3. So we have x equals 8, y equals negative 8 square root of 3, and I is going to multiply with our y-coordinate. So our complex number in rectangular form is 8 minus 8 square root of 3i. I hope you found this example helpful, and we'll see you next time.